What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
I was arguing with my girl, so I slammed it. You could still hear it though, just the alarm though. That's
Wow. So it's still working?
The alarm is, I hope. You can still scream a little bit, I think.
Wow. Don't worry, sir. I got you.
I bet.
We need to remove the bottom screws so we can pull the screen out. Hopefully home button is not broken. I'm gonna use a guitar pick. Damn, look at that. Come here, baby girl. Home button looks broken. See right here, it's ripped. Poor home button, it's broken. If you want to find out if you have an original screen or not, you can check right here. Should be Apple logo. This is front camera and ear speaker. Let's see if this damage. Looking good. We're gonna remove this 3 here, 1, 2 here, those screws out, and 1 on the bottom. Let's take this off. We're gonna transfer everything to new screen. Let's see if this is going to work. Looking good. Alright, screen is ready. We're gonna transfer his data. ready for surgery. Surgery time. We're gonna deliver the baby now. Yes, not bad. Let's remove the battery. Now we're gonna put everything on the new housing. Watch until the end. The moment you all have been waiting. Your phone is ready, sir.
Damn, that's crazy. You really did your thing.
Let me show it on the camera. There we go.
That's crazy. You really fixed it. I thought this thing was done for. She definitely owes some Netflix and chill. Or dinner and a movie.
You got it.
I appreciate you, Jesus.
No problem. Thank you.
All right.
I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last.